Introducing dashboard agents. Transform your dashboards into interactive data experiences. To start a conversation with Dashboard Agent, simply click the Gemini icon on your dashboard and ask natural language questions. When generating an insight, Looker's Dashboard Agent directly displays its intermediate reasoning, which dashboard tiles it referenced, and the filters applied to arrive at the answer. The agent presents insights on your dashboard data, paired with contextually relevant charts and natural language explanations. Should your question require data that extends further, the agent can turn to underlying explores to unveil further information. To tailor how Dashboard Agent interprets your organization's unique business logic, dashboard creators can provide additional context by adding natural language instructions directly to the agent. Looker admins can enable this capability by turning on Enable Chat with Dashboard under the Gemini and Looker settings.